योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Today is the International Yoga Day. Let us resolve again in our yoga practice and the propagation of yoga and for the preservation of yoga. The ancient science given by the Lord Himself, profounded by Patanjali Maharshi in his Yoga Sutras. The only science which can bring the complete growth in human beings' life, the total personality development. Every human being or every living being has got 5 layers. Especially human being can enhance all these 5 layers: physical level, mental level, pranic level, intellectual level, and ananda level. The only science, that is yoga, that which enhances all these layers of our body-mind complex. It is the need of the hour to remove the 3 doshas at body level, verbal level, and mental level. Patanjali Maharshi has given Ayurveda to remove the Vata, Pitta, Kapha at physical level. And Patanjali Maharshi gave that Mahabhashya on Paninian Sanskrit grammar, by which knowledge we can get verbal purity and verbal clarity. And another benefit Patanjali gives through Ashtanga Yoga. By practicing Ashtanga Yoga, we can remove the impurity of the mind. Chitta vritti nirodhaha. By disciplining the mind, by mastering one's own mind, we can come out of many psychosomatic elements because of its multifold advantages. Now it is becoming very popular, yoga. It makes you more and more healthy person, not only physically but mentally also. As Lord Krishna said in 6th chapter, 16th and 17th verses beautifully, Natyashnatastu yogosti nachaikanta manashnataha nachasya swapnashilasya jagrato naiva. And he tells 17th verse also, yukta ahara viharasya yukta cheshtasya karmasu yukta swapnava bodhasya yogo bhavati dukkhaha. One has to be moderate in his eating, sleeping, and interactions. Moderation is always very, very important. For him, a yoga practitioner, for him, the sorrow will be destroyed. By practicing yoga, the sorrow will be destroyed. The speed of the life is the cause for many ailments. Now we find out the signboards on the traffic signals. Speed kills, the signboard shows. Speed, physical level, mental level speed is the main cause for many ailments. Now the corona has brought down our speed at a physical level and mental level also. So the speed, we have to control ourselves, but we are not controlling. We need some corona to control us. The overspeed of the mind, running like a rat race. The whole world running after. As Shankaracharya says in Bhajagovindam, pranayamam pratyaharam nityanitya vastu viveka vicharam. Practice pranayama and practice pratyahara. Yamaniyama, if you follow, and that is very, very important for our healthy life. Daily practice Ashtanga Yoga, minimum half an hour, maximum 1 hour. Do Surya Namaskars, some asanas, pranayama, alternate nostril breathing, slow and deep breathing. Meditation is not controlling the mind. Pranayama means not controlling the breath, but channelization of our breathing is pranayama, and channelization of our mind is called dhyana. We have to learn properly and practice all these techniques given in yoga, Ashtanga Yoga. So the yoga, 4 letters mesmerizing the entire universe. YOGA, yoga. Yoga, Y stands for that which keeps you always young, 20 years young. You look like a 20-year, you look 20 years lesser than your age by practicing yoga. O stands for orderliness. The moment you start doing yoga, you get orderliness in your life. And the moment you start practicing yoga, you get generous heart. Yoga in the sense not just mere asanas. Asanas are only part of yoga. Following Ashtanga Yoga, Yamaniyamas onwards, you get a generous heart. And A stands for active life. A yoga practitioner can never be a dull person, lazy person. He will be always active. So you look young and your life becomes orderly life, and your heart becomes generous heart, and you become an active person in the society. There is a nice song, a Hindi song. I do not know the name of that, the composer of that song, but I can say that person must be a great Deshabhaktaha, Sanatana Dharmi, the one who respects Sanatana Dharma. A beautiful song. You can listen. बनी हम राष्ट्र की योगी, करेंगे ध्यान भारत का। बनी हम राष्ट्र के योगी, करेंगे ध्यान भारत का। उठाकर धर्म का झंडा, करे उत्थान भारत का। उठाकर धर्म का झंडा, करे उत्थान भारत का, गले में शील की माला पहन कर ज्ञान की कफनी, गले में शील की माला पहन कर ज्ञान की कफनी, पकड़ कर त्याग का दंडा करे उत्थान भारत का, पकड़ कर त्याग का दंडा करे उत्थान भारत का, बने हम राष्ट्र के योगी करेंगे ध्यान भारत का, उठा कर धर्म का झंडा करे उत्थान भारत का, जला कर इष्ट की होली उठा कर कष्ट की झोली, जला कर इष्ट की होली उठा कर कष्ट की झोली, जमा कर संत की टोली करे उत्थान भारत का, जमा कर संत की टोली करे उत्थान भारत का, बने हम राष्ट्र के योगी करेंगे ध्यान भारत का, उठा कर धर्म का झंडा करे उत्थान भारत का, हमारे जन्म का सार्थक हमारे मोक्ष का कारण, हमारे जन्म का सार्थक हमारे मोक्ष का कारण, हमारे स्वर्ग का साधन यही उत्थान भारत का, हमारे स्वर्ग का साधन यही उत्थान भारत का, बने हम राष्ट्र के योगी करेंगे ध्यान भारत का, उठा कर धर्म का झंडा करे उत्थान भारत का, बने हम राष्ट्र के योगी करेंगे ध्यान भारत का, उठा कर धर्म का झंडा करे उत्थान भारत का, करे उत्थान भारत का, करे उत्थान भारत का. Now I will explain the meaning. Just I'll give the essence of that song. Beautiful song. Bane hum rashtra ke yogi. Let us take a resolve to become yogis and yoginis, all of us. Karenge dhyan bharat ka. By becoming a yogi, what I have to do? We meditate on our motherland, dhyan bharat ka, on motherland Bharat. How? What for? With a lot of energy, sankalpa, uthakar dharma ka jhanda, by holding the flag of righteousness, and kare utthana bharat ka, we raise the country's glory, we raise the glory of our motherland. Then second charanam says, गले में शील की माला पहन कर ज्ञान की कफनी. Let us wear the garland of character. गले में शील की माला पहन कर ज्ञान की कफनी. Let us wear the cloth like jnanam, knowledge, materialistic science and spiritual science. Let us take that resolve to have that both the sciences, paravidya and aparavidya jnanam. Pakad kar tyag ka danda. Let us hold on to that Tyaga, sacrifice, renunciation. Tyage naike amrutatva manashu. So that tyaga alone is the weapon, like we have to hold on to that. Taking to this principles, I am going to uplift my or raise the glory of my Bharat country, Sanatana Dharma. Then, जला कर इष्ट की होली, उठा कर कष्ट की झोली. Let me go beyond my likes and dislikes. Ishta ki holi. Let me burn all my raga, dvesha, likes and dislikes. Utha kar kashta ki jholi. Let me have the strength to bear all hardships, whatever comes in front of me. In every hard experience, I learn to see all advantages in every disadvantage, position or condition. Then, जमा कर संत की टोली करे उत्थान भारत का. Let us gather, by gathering all saints together. Sant ki toli, all saints come together and we all do the raise of this country and its glory, the Sanatana Dharma, the glory. Becoming a yogi is not only my personal upliftment, but it is for social well-being also. The individual growth, without individual prosperity, a society cannot prosper. So society prosperity, individual prosperity, both are mutual, interdependent. Then final charanam, hamare janma ka sarthak, hamare moksha ka karan. What is the glory, greatness of my Sanatana Dharma? Because of this Dharma, this culture, it is the cause for my moksha. Therefore, I want to raise the glory of my motherland by keeping myself fit, physically, mentally, and my society also keeping it fit. And I want to make this yoga universal. Yoga alone can make the entire universe into one, and the universal peace can come through yoga. Hamare moksha ka karan. This land, this culture, this dharma, Sanatana Dharma is the cause for my moksha. Hamare swarga ka sadhan. If I want to go to swarga also, this is the only karma bhumi, punya bhumi, this motherland, Bharat. Yahi utthan Bharat ka. This Maha Utthan, the rise of my country alone, is my prosperity. My Sanatana Dharma is the source and solace for the entire universe. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavanta. No yoga, no peace. KNOW, no yoga. If you know yoga, you know what is peace. No yoga, no peace. No. If there is no yoga in your life, there is no peace also. Therefore, on this International Yoga Day, let us all make a resolve once again. Practice yoga daily and propagate yoga and preserve yoga. Hari Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.